What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5. Now if you are interested in the full and in-depth review of this product, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to the side of it to be notified of when I upload that video. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing of the new Apple Watch. Now here in the UK, it starts off at £399, which incidentally enough is the same but in dollars in America. And then if you are in Europe, it will start off at €449. And just like its predecessor, the Series 4, the Series 5 is also available in two sizes, being 40mm and 44mm. The one thing which I love and seriously have to give props to Apple for is the fact that original Apple Watch straps purchased many years ago can still be used with the newest Apple Watch. Also, you can purchase the Series 5 in up to 4 different case materials, being aluminium, stainless steel, ceramic or now titanium. Additionally, you can purchase the Series 5 with a cellular modem, allowing you to leave your iPhone behind and still receive and make phone calls, iMessages and more. As with other items, the Apple Watch can always be found on sale. I have links down below in the description of this video to where you can purchase the Apple Watch for the cheapest and most competitive prices out there. And once you open up the outer packaging, you're then greeted by 2 individual boxes, the first of which has the Apple Watch and its included accessories. The second houses the black Apple Watch strap. The model I have came with a black sports strap in both small to medium and medium to large sizes, allowing the Apple Watch to fit a wider range of wrists. Along with this, you will find instructions printed on the packaging on how to correctly install the straps to the watch case. Moving on to the other box, opening it, you will find the Apple Watch in an encased protective sleeve and the Designed by Apple in California documentation envelope. This houses a quick start guide and details on your Apple 1-year limited warranty, and under this you will find a USB-A charge adapter with the charge cable, which has an approximate length of around 1 meter. By using the included cable and power adapter, after a 30-minute duration you'll be able to receive close to a 50% charge status. It is also worth mentioning that if you are looking into purchasing an Apple Watch Series 5, it will require either an iPhone 6s or newer, running either iOS 13 or later. And as you guys can see, the Apple Watch Series 5 looks almost identical to its predecessor, the Series 4. So then guys, that has been it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to hit the like button, and if you are new around here, then why not subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload my full and in-depth review of this product or any future videos. Also, if you have got any questions with what you've seen in today's video, then be sure to leave them in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can of course be found in the description. Once again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.